I live here in the city of Wayne, Michigan. And here we are on the western side of Wayne, Michigan. This is Hannon Road. And here is the rail crossing. And this is the way that workers go every day to go down to get to their mass transit connection, the bus on Michigan Avenue. They didn't put a sidewalk in here when they redid this particular piece of road, which actually had been in good shape at the time. On the other side there, it was a bit messed up, so they took care of the whole thing and redid everything, which is fine. Seems to be okay now. Took them 2.5 times to redo the crossing though. When I contacted them about not having a sidewalk here and that people need to take their lives into their hands just to cross this one section between these two parts of the city of Wayne, I was told by Wayne County, well, they hadn't put any plans in for the sidewalk. I was further told that the reason wasn't there is that if they had put it in the plans, then it would be here. That was the excuse. So today they're working on the rails. Looks like everything's nice here. They used to have some metal that you would cross over, but now it's all paved in like many of the others. We'll see how long that lasts. But my point today is this is a very dangerous spot to walk back and forth between one piece of the city of Wayne and another. And it's especially dangerous at night and in the winter and during rain. And there are folks that live on either side of this crossing, this road crossing, that cars can go back and forth on, trucks can go back and forth on, but you can't do it by foot. Even by bicycle, it's dangerous. This is all you get. Here comes the car. I'm walking, of course, in the opposite direction of traffic. They're going like 45, 50 miles per hour. There's very little room for error on the part of the pedestrian. Now a car is approaching me right now and I have a choice. I can go on the other side of this barrier, which I think I'm going to do because I don't trust these folks. I wasn't going to sit on the fence because I don't want to sit on the fence around here. And here comes a really cool car with blue lights. And we're going to continue on our way. Oh, wow. Oh, no, we're not. We're going to stop back over here. We're going to go back over the fence. I'm just trying to be safe, you know. I don't want to walk right close to it. You'll see that the car is moving away from the oncoming traffic, completely disregarding the pedestrian, which is quite amazing. But that seems to be something that's part of this local society, where cars are made, not people. Anyway. I'm going to cross now. I'm going to look in both directions. And here comes a large truck. You know, before we close this up, let's see how fast that truck's going. And we'll just put this right here where somebody might be standing, or riding their bicycle, and see what the experience is like. Yeah. It would have just cost a few thousand more to put the sidewalk in. And they told me, I said, hey, when can you put it in? When are you going to do it? And they said, well, this piece of road here is slated to last 20 to 25 years. And at that time, you can request to have a sidewalk put in. Me, I could request it. All right, thank you.